Excuse me, are you still open? Yes, but I'm busy. What do you need?
You can see I'm working, can't you? Sorry to interrupt, I just needed some help with something.
Long day, I wasn't sure. My phone stopped working. What do you need repaired? Aye, it's always this hot. Long day. Hot, busy, and full of problems. That's been my whole day. I can see that. You look completely exhausted. Looks like you've been working non-stop. You don't know the half of it. Everyone carries something heavy.
You have a family?
Yeah, I have a wife and a little girl. Okay.
She's been sick for a while. Hospital visits don't stop.
Looks like rain. Not enough. The heat has been hard lately. Hard on everyone. How long have you been here?
10 years. That's a long time. Long enough to know business isn't getting easier.
People still need things repaired. People need a lot of things. Doesn't mean they can pay. You traveling? Yes. Where to? Wherever I am needed next. Must be nice not being tied down. Everyone carries something.
You seem worried about something bigger than business.
You always ask strangers personal questions? My daughter needs another hospital treatment. We'll find a way. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How is your daughter doing? She's sicker than I let on.
Some days good, some days not.
She's 13.
She says she's not scared, but I see it in her eyes. Fear is a strong current. Even the strongest swimmers feel it. Board is damaged, but this is not a small fix. It's expensive. I think I lost my wallet.
You did what?
Then don't waste my time today. I've got real problems. My daughter, she's still in hospital. I can't afford mistakes today. Some days are heavier than they look. So what exactly are you gonna pay with? I can't run a business on hope. I seem to have misplaced my wallet. I'm truly sorry. I think I lost it earlier on the road. I'm sorry. I don't know what you expect me to do right now. I can't tell if you're serious or just stuck in a bad situation.
Oh.
It's okay. If you want to fix it, fix it. If not, I understand.
I just can't afford another mistake.
Around here, are you?
My daughter, she keeps asking when she can go home.
She doesn't complain, but I can see she's scared. I still don't know how I'm supposed to charge you for this. No.
I don't even know what's right anymore.
Hello, this is the hospital. Your daughter's bill has been fully cleared by an anonymous payment.
Wait. Was it you? He didn't even take the money. Wait, please! I need to talk to you. Is something the matter? It's important. I must be going. I judged you wrong. Mr. Rafi, your daughter's surgery is fully paid. You don't need to worry anymore.
Where did you go? Please, answer me. No. No.
I didn't even get to thank him.